Dear USA, all nations, and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I hope you are all on the same page on this regard. That I'm providing very, very crucial, very, very important civil justice sign up for myself, and it's a multitasking. So, how 50 states of USA, Republican and or Democrat Congress, regardless of males or females, provided USA elections 2020 without amendments for Native Indian tribes, without amendments for child marriage population, without amendments for Swiss Guard, Vatican rifles, deadliest nuclear weapons, drugs, tax fraud, crime. Elections 2020 of USA destroyed by prostitute Pope Francis is proved, and USA must provide tax-free millions or billions of salary for I display deadliest elections crime to USA. Prostitute Pope Francis must resign now, and I, Vedapriya Prose, must be the Vatican leader now, is civil justice served, as in Holy Bible guidelines only. President Joe Biden violated national operations guidelines and must resign now for Swiss Guard rifles, drugs, tax fraud, crime. I, Vedapriya Prose, must be the interim leader of USA now, is civil justice served as in Holy Bible guidelines without having amendments for child marriage population created by Antichrist, not having amendments for Vatican Swiss Guard rifle drug dealer tax fraud crime, no amendments for Native Indian tribe, so no amendments for eligibility for Native Indian tribe eligibility highest to be president of USA amendments. How on the earth Republican and Democrat Congress so Congress comes under the same umbrella of Senate. So if you see Senate, just be aware this session is all about Congress, okay? So Democrat Congress, the Republican Congress of USA provided elections in the past 500 years and also in 2020. How child marriage population, Swiss Guard rifles drug dealers of Vatican, then Native Indian tribes provided voting process in USA in past 500 years. Why prostitute Pope Francis destroyed 27 amendments of USA, and why USA never disciplined prostitute Pope Francis for destroyed USA operations and allowed two criminals to live free. State of Wisconsin Department of Government of USA must pay tax-free $500 billion for State of Wisconsin never provided Prose salary to I Vedapriya Prose. Department of Republican and Democrat government agency of USA must be sealed and shut down for human endangerment, and I Vedapriya alone can bail out banks of USA. I Vedapriya Prose must be Supreme Civil Judge, family law judge, children law judge, medical law judge, finance law judge, and all types of judge to lead USA and nations worldwide is civil justice served. I, Vedapriya Prose, must be the Global Poverty Relief Medical Director, Chief for all nations, and must be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India, and must get dual citizenship, and USA must rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu after my name. At fault and found guilty in all counts of crime of deadliest human, wild, endangered species, Vatican Jesuits, crime of Department of Federal Banks of Divisions, USA is as of March 23rd, 2021 civil justices, how Democrat Senate and Republican Congress government agency of USA provided elections voting process for child marriage population and for Swiss Guard, Vatican rifles drug dealers population and Native Indian tribe population, and also provided tax codes and tax credits and tax returns process for child marriage population created by Antichrist Pope Francis. How Democrat Senate and Republican Congress, it should be the Congress actually. Okay, if you are going to see that Senate, just be sure this session is all about Congress, okay? So how Democrat Congress and Republican Congress government agency of USA provided welfare economy improvement process since 1935 when Antichrist Pope Francis provided deadliest Swiss army nuclear weapon, toxic lethal drugs and war crimes worldwide. So at fault found guilty in all counts of crimes of Vatican Code of Abuse tax law mandate, Department of Government, Bank, then the banks and the insurance, the tax revenue, treasury of USA must be sealed and shut down in next 1 second. USA nation do not have any birthright to collect tax of any form from population, and it is deadliest crime proved by I with the prayer prose, and in true Christianity alone there is never tax is proof. Why Pope Francis is never Christian and is deadliest human endangered Islam, Judaism, Zionism, paganism, communism, destroyer of all nations. So prostitute Antichrist Pope Francis must pay, should pay tax free $500,000 to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans for provided elections 2020 scandal tax fraud crime in USA. Thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now.